Okay, more good news. Engine would start with the first turn and then it would idle, so I can't accelerate. I do put my foot, I try to accelerate it all the way down, nothing would happen. So I'm going to start it. Keys on. I can't accelerate, nothing happens when I try to press the accelerator pedal. So perhaps I just have to leave it to run idle for, I don't know, maybe for an hour, and then let the system pick up everything by itself, and then see if I could accelerate. Or I don't know if that's because of the DPF, the fill shoot thing, the shoot fill message. I don't know, because of that it's not accelerating. So yeah, I would just leave it like this for an hour and see what happens. Please leave your comments, please. Thank you.